Well, this is now day 2 of working on the car, but I ran out of time and I ran out of patience last night. It's finally back together and everything is hooked up, hopefully the way it was meant to be, and I'm gonna try and test fire it right now. Sentinel lights work too, did you see that?
Yeah, I love the test run.
Actually driving properly for a change. Oh, look how close that is.
Yeah, we got the Bee Gees.
Now it's not pinned on idle.
I'm really happy for you.
See? Sentinel lights. So after taking her out for a cruise last night just to test it out, and the idle's fixed, it runs great. The whole car is running great. However, there's a couple more things. It's always a couple more things. Welcome to Project Car Ownership. The high beams, one of them is dead, so I'm going to go replace both those guys. I still think that there's something blown in the tail light, so I'm replacing all of the light bulbs, and the center light, I think all of them are dead. I'm going to change that out too. Did notice, now that it idles properly, that it's actually got a bit of a stumble, and like in the first video I said, the plug leads fell apart right on day 1, so I'm going to change the leads, change the plugs while I'm in there, put in some nice NGKs. What else did I pick up? Just here, it's a parts store box. See? Another parts store bag. It's another 140 bucks. Every time I go to the part place, it's like, hey, what have you got? Blah, blah, blah. Here's a $140 bill. The car will $140 me to death.